Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am going to explain you what are branch tags in Vedantu JEE Counseling Portal. If you go through different filters of this portal, you will find one of the filter as branch tag. If you take drop down, you will find aerospace, agriculture, AI, architecture, and so on and so on. What are they and why they are needed? I will tell you through one example. Suppose if you select one branch tag known as civil, it will actually cater to different civil engineering branches present in IIT, NIT, and GFTIs with slightly different names also. Like civil can cater to civil engineering, it can cater to civil and infrastructure engineering also. So if the civil engineering is present in different colleges but slight difference in their name, we have clubbed these branches into one and we have kept under one branch tag, let us say civil. Now there can be some more such branch tags. So where we can find all such branch tags, you have to go to Vedantu JEE counseling page, and if you download this branch tag document, you will find all the branch tags available. Like CSE stands for computer science engineering, ECE stands for electronics, AI stands for artificial intelligence, and so on. If you go down into this page, you will find the meaning of all these branch tags. This aerospace caters to aerospace engineering 4 year and also aerospace 5 year. Similarly, agriculture, AI, and so on and so on. Now, if I go to CSE, let me take CSE. So you can see it caters to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different branches. So in one college, it can be present with the name computer science and engineering. In another college, it can be present with the name another computer science only. Okay. In some college, it can be present with name computer science and engineering. Okay, like that. In fact, if in one college it is present with 4 year and 5 year also, then we have kept these both branches with the same branch tag CSE. Okay. Now there is one more thing worth mentioning, that you will find CSE derivative also. This we have used because in same college like IIT Bhubaneswar, there was computer science already, but they are running one more course known as computer engineering, which is having slightly different content. So we put it into different branch tag called as CSE derivative. And you may find such thing different branches also, like mechanical engineering you can find, and I think it is there in IT derivative also. Now one important thing to tell you, let me go back to this CSE once again. If you go to JOSA portal and if you try to find where computer science and engineering is there, and you want to list all such departments, you will have to select computer science and engineering 4 year bachelor of technology separately and others named separately. So if you want where all these computer science branches are available, maybe with different names, you will have to apply filter again and again. But here you can do it in one go. You will find information of all such branches at one place. So that is the usage, that is the importance of branch tag. So that is all about branch tag. I hope I have made it clear. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more informations. Bye.